Joining Barrett Sotheby's International Realty has really impacted my career. It's enabled me to get my foot in the door in the luxury market. I love being able to help people find their dream home. It brings great meaning to them, and it's very fulfilling for me to assist in that process. I really appreciate the fact that we're very client-driven. I attended my first global networking event this year in Nashville, and it was such a great experience. I met so many people, other agents from around the country and even in other parts of the world. And it's not just about making connections to refer other clients to different parts of the world, but a great sense of sharing. I can't emphasize that enough. We're very focused here in the communities that we live and serve, but we also have this great network with the Sotheby's family throughout the country and the world. And it comes down to, we're a luxury brand, but it's more luxury service at any price point, and I really love that about this brand. Barrett Sotheby's International Realty allows me to do what I do best, and that's serve my clients. And I know that behind the scenes, everything else is taken care of. My clients are in good hands, and I'm in good hands.